I'm like a little nervous. Okay. So, welcome to today's video. It is really just an announcement video about something that I have been working on and I am super excited about. So, I'm launching a course. So many of you guys have wanted to work with me, get support from me, and just really learn how you guys can live a really nourished, healthy life. So I compiled all my expertise, all my knowledge into this course for you. So if you attended my masterclass, then you know about the course. That was like my little soft launch for the inside exclusive peeps who signed up for the mastermind. But yeah, I'm launching my course today. It's super exciting. It has been a work in progress. Like my heart and my soul went into this program to really help you guys learn just how to properly nourish your bodies. I used to be there. I was struggling so long and it took me a while to get to this place. And I know a lot of you guys are struggling as well. So I definitely want to help you along the way, support you, and do what I can. And the reason I created this program is because I see so many people who are undernourishing their bodies. They're not eating enough. They don't feel great. Their digestion's off. They have low energy. They don't have clear skin, and they don't feel great in their bodies. They don't feel nourished. They don't feel balanced, and they're not confident and empowered. They don't know how to cook in the kitchen. They don't know how to make a healthy meal. So that is why I created it. If you are frustrated with trying to live a healthy life, if you're sick and tired of trying every diet trick in the book and nothing seems to stick, and you really just want to create a long-lasting, sustainable lifestyle, this is the program for you. It's called Well Nourished, and it's called that for a reason, because I really want to empower you guys to take control and just learn how to nourish yourself from the inside out so that you feel great, you look great, and you can literally thrive and flourish in your life. Because let's face it, who doesn't want that? So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the program. Basically, I give you the clear roadmap that you need in order to live a balanced life. So if you are stuck and sick and tired of Googling things 1,000 times, about how to be healthy, how to do this, how to do everything else, this is kind of like the one program you need in order to do that. I've included all my tips and tricks. There are video trainings, there are downloadable workbooks, there is a private support community where everyone who's in the program is in there, as well as me, so you can get support from me on an ongoing basis, plus the support of someone else doing it with you. It's a lot easier to do when you have the support of someone else that's doing it with you. So even if you don't have people, in your day-to-day life, we have this great online community cheering each other on and supporting from within so that we can all just live a very nourished life and you can be happy and supported. And if you are unfamiliar with my story, there was definitely a time years and years ago where I was that person who counted calories. I measured everything into my fitness pal, and that was just no way to live. And to be honest, I didn't feel great either. I was, under eating. I see so many people who are eating 1,200, 1,300 calories a day, and that's just not enough to sustain and nourish your body. It's not even enough to really have the basic functions of life, which includes your heart rate and your lungs working. So if you're undernourishing your body, you're not gonna feel great and you're not gonna look great either. So I was definitely there, counting calories, trying to figure out how I was going to eat out with friends, or depriving myself, running on the treadmill and the elliptical for hours, trying to burn off things that I ate. And so basically with this program, you learn how you do not need to count calories. You basically learn how to count nutrients. I share my formula with you in order to create really healthy, balanced meals that are going to make you feel great and look great from the inside out. You're going to learn, how to eat out and be healthy, how to travel and stay healthy, and really how to make it a long, sustainable lifestyle so that you can literally thrive and flourish, because that is what I want for you. If it is one thing I can help do, it's to nourish your body, because food really is fuel. It's literally instructions to our body, how to operate, how to feel, and everything like that. And there's just so much in this program I'm really excited to share with you guys. So I am opening it up. There is a limited number of spots because I really want to make sure that I am focused on a core number of you guys so I can really give you all of my attention and all of my support. And so what you'll get in this program are 4 bi-weekly calls with me that are live so you can get my support and ask questions. You get 7 modules along with workbooks and PDFs, and everything is downloadable, and you can also listen and watch at your own pace. You also get an invitation to a private Facebook group where we're all going to connect and support each other. Plus, you do get weekly videos that are exclusive just to the program, so I take you and show you right along with me how to do everything week by week. I've also included a ton of bonuses, including 20 staple recipes following my specific formula with you guys. You get a guide to non-toxic living, you get a superfood guide, and you get a free 7-day gut reset, which really just helps catapult you on this whole process by resetting your gut and nourishing that. So the time is definitely now. There is an early bird promotion for it. So if you are interested, I would encourage you to act within the next 48 hours. It's kind of like my little gift to you guys. So I'm gonna leave a link for all of that down in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just so excited for this program, and I am so thankful for the community we have, and I'm really looking forward to getting to work with a handful of you guys and really just help you transform your body and your health from the inside out. And you know, it's gonna be done in like less than 2 months, which is plenty of time. So if you've been wanting to really buckle down, get healthy, and invest in your health, this is definitely the time, because you really deserve to feel good and flourish and thrive in your body. So I cannot wait to take you into my kitchen, show you my formula, all of the resources that you need. So if you have any questions, you can always email me if you want to know more about the program, or if you want to DM me on Instagram. I'm always in there getting back to you guys. But yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you for all your support. It really helps me to bring you guys a ton of value and to bring you along on this journey to help you live a healthy life. So I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.